What's going on, good peoples? It's your boy, man, and it's Tuesday. You know what I mean? Like every day, baby, it's time to get this money. Let's get to it. We're gonna check on the mothership first, man. You gotta pay homage to the mothership. Hex, y'all see it, man. Your boy be in this lobby, man. When I don't go in the lobby, you gotta support the platforms you're in. So I go in the lobby. When I don't go in the lobby, I get him off Uniswap. And Hex was on a monster run yesterday. Monster run. Because Richard see Bitcoin going up, he ain't finna let Bitcoin go up and not let Hex go up, baby. Shout out to Richard. He's still making us rich, man. If you ain't a Hex, man, get over your feelings, man. Get this money. T2X, I'm gonna make a whole separate video on this thing, man. This thing is what? See, this kind of like Apple. We're gonna get to Apple in a minute. People don't understand the whole thing, but it's making you money. Period. That's all that matters. Is making money. And speaking of making money, let me get this off. Black clout. So my man, Jamie made a video, the old crypto guy. That's my guy, man. Check him out. Real cool guy. But he made a video yesterday, man. And this brings me to a bigger point. When I showed y'all about this, man, I be trying to tell y'all, look, let me say this. One thing I learned in crypto, man, this is a whale game. You ain't being a whale don't mean you got to have $10 million. I'm saying you got to bring a sledgehammer to this game. You can't come to this game with a little pea shooter. You're dealing with people with machine guns and tanks. You can't come with your little pea shooter trying to make some money. It ain't gonna happen, bro. I'm trying to tell you. You know what I'm saying? And this is no different. Look, staking is the way to go. Dividend life, baby. I'm gonna do a whole video on dividend life. When I showed y'all exactly what to do. And people are doing it because my percentage is going down. So more people are coming in. I was over 1%. This is my percentage. It's going down. So more people are starting to stake. But guess what? I get more earnings when people come in. And when people leave. I get more when they leave. You see what I'm saying? I showed you how to do this. So he made a video saying, yeah, I put $100 in the block cloud and the price went down. I guess I lost that with what are you doing? $100? Get out the way, man. You clogging up the blockchain. You know what I'm saying? Get out the way. What are you doing? These platforms are, man, you can make a whole lot of money in crypto. And Jamie know that because he's doing it with Hex2T. You got to apply the same principles to each one to know what's good and what's not. You can't pussyfoot on one and throw your life savings in another one, then say the one you pussyfooting on didn't work. That don't even make sense. You see what I'm saying? And not just him, I'm just making a broader point, guys. Bring your sledgehammer. Kill this game, man. That's what I did. That's why when I came in this game, man, I had $216 to my name. You know what I'm saying? And when I first got in the game, I didn't know what was going on, man. I was losing too. I was following guys like Trayvon and stuff, and the stuff was working, but I was doing the same thing he was doing, but the results wasn't the same for me. Then I had to learn. I said, what's the deal? What's going on? I learned myself. It was because I wasn't putting enough in. You see what I'm saying? I wasn't applying myself, as your teachers used to tell you in the 3rd grade. Apply yourself, man. You know what I'm saying? This stuff could pay you for life. Let me show you something. All right, this is my 3 million right here. I put 5 ETH. That 5 ETH, I got 3 million, right? Now, this is the dividend. It's 2 days worth right here, right? It really don't pay nothing in referrals. That's no 19. I'm still at 160,000. Just with dividends, no referrals. You don't need referrals. You get dividends. And let me show you how much that. Let me see. Let me see what this is. 180,000. And he can refer, so he can do better than me. That's 0.3 ETH. Let me see what that is. How much money that is. 0.34 ETH. That's $108. That's your money back right now. Well, you got to put more than that in, but I'm just saying. That's every day. That's every day. So that's about what, $56 a day or something like that? $52, $58, something like that. Bruh, automatically. I ain't got to check the site. I ain't got to do nothing. I'm showing y'all this. Nobody is showing you this, man. Where else you gonna make this kind of money every day? This is one platform. I ain't even got the pimp. I ain't talked about Ample yet. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm doing with T2X. You know what I'm doing with Hex. You know what I'm doing with these platforms, man. I ain't talking about crypto mining. Come on, bro. I done showed you how to live this dividend life. Stop with the $100 thing, man. Now, if we talk about a little sketchy hike, it's gonna, pay you, 20% or something. Yeah, throw a little $100. But this is a real platform that's I don't care. Let me bring another point. I don't care nothing about who own it. I don't care nothing about no white paper. I don't care nothing about no team. I don't care nothing about no roadmap. None of that matters. You're doing 10 months worth of investigational search, and it doesn't matter. If it's gonna pay you, it's gonna pay you. If it's not, it's not. They don't give a damn if you know who the team is. Everybody knew Soft Trade Orion, and they doing Zoom call. Everybody knew Kangat. Oh, they traveling, they doing Zoom call, and you still can't get paid. None of that stuff matters, man. It don't matter. Live this dividend life, baby. These staking platforms, put your money in here, get it out. Look at this. I can do this every day. Withdraw. Put it in ETH. Switch it to Bitcoin, whatever you want to do. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and you need this right here, bro. I don't care. Everybody need to be in this. Straight up. Everybody. This thing is 2,780 ETH. The big dogs are starting to come. I told y'all, when I showed y'all this, it was at 200. I tried to show y'all this stuff as early as possible, man. Y'all don't want to listen. Well, I ain't gonna lie. There's a lot of people in. I got people on my team. I ain't been, I got some bad people. But everybody need to be in this, man. You ain't got to use my. Everybody need to be in. It's paying 10% a day. 10%. And I came in with 2 ETH, and I was like, that ain't enough. So I got another account. I went in heavier because it's paying with or without you. And all you got to do is hit the contract address. Look, it's the same. 2007. That's what it is. That's crazy, man. This thing is paying 10% a day. Every day, 100% decentralized open. So every day, the PDF right here, the Telegram, you need to be in this, man. Link is in the description. You need to be. It's 10%. This thing is growing like fire. I'm talking about it's on fire. You hear me? Straight smart contract. Just paying out 10% every day. On fire. But anyway, let's get to Ampleforth, man. So last night, I was in Ampleforth in my Telegram. And so, let me see. I don't know if you can see that. At 9:53, I took a screenshot of what I had. That's 4,329 Ampleforth, worth $8,994. At 10:04, rebates. I don't even understand how you eat, man. And my man James ain't even in Ample. What did you? He told me he got to do more. I'm gonna do my research. And I'm gonna do this, bro. Anyway, man, at 10 o'clock, look at this. Bam, rebates hit. I ain't do nothing. Free money. $1,100 of free money. Free money. Every night at 10 o'clock, I make $1,100. I don't know what to tell y'all, man. Like, I see how it be lonely at the top. And I ain't at the top, but I'm getting there. And people just you have to drag people. It's like people are afraid to make money. How are you afraid to make money? What you holding on that little 2E for? Sling that shit around, man. You ain't got to be in everything. Pick something and go hard. You gonna lose it anyway. If you gonna lose it, you gonna lose it by paper cut or by swift action. You know what I'm saying? I'm just showing you, man. Now, every day after the rebates, the price go down. I think the price down today. I don't care. I'm about accumulation. Give me the coin. I accumulate the coin. You see what I'm saying? That's about what I have four. That's about what? That's about 560. Let's see what that is. 560 coins. Let's see what that is. Let's go to old Apple. See how much that is. This is every night. I get this every night at 10 o'clock. Like I said, I ain't even talked about Pam. Let's trade. See how much that is. It's about whatever, about 5 something. Let's say 560. Oh wait, damn, come on. Damn, my computer taking so long for. Come on, man. See what we got here. What's that, about 560? That's 3 eat. Every night, I make 3 eat. Stop looking at charts and shit, man. Look at numbers. I don't give a damn pulling up charts and shit. I don't give a fuck about no chart. What the numbers say? What I'm gonna get in my bank account? You know what I'm saying? Every night. If you ain't an Ample, you dumb. You're a dummy. I mean, they giving away money. You know what I'm saying? I could care what I don't even know. Let me see what the price is. The price is down. Imagine if this was up $2.80, $3. People look at this and be like, "Oh man, the price is down." This is the worst thing you can look at. This keeping you broke. Nobody gonna tell you that but me. This keeping you broke. You see this? Oh, I can't get it. This thing is down. This is what I make every night. How hard it take you forever to make 3 eat? I wipe my ass with 3 eat because I'm not scary. I don't listen to other people. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to tell you how to make this money, man. I get in this stuff that pay good. 10% a day. What are you talking about? I got what? I got a half eat to pull out right now, and I'm about to get paid again in 2 hours. Like, what are you? I got E falling out everywhere. I need a broom. I got to sweep this ether up, man. It's everywhere. Anyway, man, video getting too long. I ain't even went over half the other stuff, man. I be trying to tell y'all, bro. Stop with that little penny ante stuff you doing. You know, we can wait on all the other stuff, action and all that stuff ain't here. Money is being made now, today. I'm showing you today. Money is being made right now, with or without you. Right here, accumulation. I can reinvest this. I don't need it. So I'm probably just gonna reinvest. I'm just gonna let it accumulate though. See my lifetime accumulate because I don't need it. I'm getting paid in so many places. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, that's the video. Links is in the description, man. Come to the Telegram if you need any help or assistance or whatever. I ain't talking about I ain't giving you no money. You know, but I can show you how to do this. Anyway, man, like the video. Who give you this kind of information, man? Nobody. Nobody giving you the insight information, man. Showing you what they get, showing you what it's worth. You know what I'm saying? The same stuff we all use, Uniswap and all. We all using the same stuff. So you put in the same numbers, they're gonna tell you the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So like the video, comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy, man.